Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open WPS file in Word. So I have this file right here. It's currently in WPS and I'm going to show you how we can do this. So yeah, this is very simple actually. If you are using the desktop version, there is a Save As button right here. If you click the Save As, you can go ahead and choose the docx format, which is what Microsoft is currently using. Another way that you can do this is you can go ahead and click that one and then hit the download button right here. And you're just going to wait for the pop-up. It usually takes like about 5 seconds. But once you see it, it should look like this. So yeah, I can go ahead and just type here WPS to Word. And down below there is here a file type, save as Microsoft Word document. So yeah, we're going to choose that one, click the save button, and you can see that now it's there. You can go over and click that, and as you can see, it's going to open in Microsoft Word. And again, everybody, that is the easiest way for us in order to open WPS file in Word.